Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today I will teach you how to set up phone vlogging. So ayun guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ko ito na set up. This is for phone vlogging. God! Shannon! Yay! Dumating na ang order ko sa Shopee. I'm so happy kasi para ito sa pag-vlog ko. So, mag-set up tayo ng vlogging materials ko. Let's open it. So, I'm going to open this now. So, ito pala yung mga Ulanzi products, guys. So, the first one, we have here the Ulanzi mini extension pole tripod. So, this is the tripod. So, let's check. Wow, super nice. So, pwede mo siyang ma-extend like that para maging stand. So, lalagay mo dito yung cellphone. Then next, the Ulanzi mini LED light. Wow! May LED light na ako. Open natin. Paano ba to? Ay, ayaw. So, this is the LED light, guys. Next, yung clip ng phone clip. So, ito yung phone clip. So, dito lalagay natin siya. Ayan! Ang next is ang shoe mount. Dito ata ito. Dahan-dahan ng nabubuo. Tapos dito ata ilalagay. At ang next one ay ang microphone. So, ito na yung microphone. So, ito yung microphone, guys. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng furry windshield or yung normal windshield lang, which is yung color black. Ayan. O, diba? So, ito na nga yun, guys. Nakabit ko na yung light. Tapos, yung microphone. So, try natin yung light. Wow! There's First light na. Super light. Super light siya. Paano kapag hindi masyado? Wow! So, ganyan na yung light, guys. Oh, diba? Ay. Ay. So, ganyan na yung light. Ay, excuse me muna. So, try. So, ito na yung finished product, guys. And then, you will put here your cellphone. At pwede na kayong mag-start ng pagpa-vlog. And pwede na tayo mag-start ng vlogging.